Torrential rain batters southern and eastern China, triggering floods, waterlogs and landslides. Talim, the year's 5th tropical storm, continues causing a 600 cubic metre landslide, which blocked a tunnel and halted traffic on a national highway. After hours of repair efforts, traffic was resumed. Meanwhile, in this primary school, water reached as deep as 300 millilitres, with classes suspended to keep the children and teachers safe. The threat of more landslides is having a huge impact on repair efforts in the area.